My mother-in-law in Greenfield, Tennessee found what appeared to be a mud daubler nest in her utility room, but flies emerged instead of mud daubers. What kind of flies lay eggs in mud nests? This is Becky. Lee, what do you think about that?
I don't know of any flies that lay eggs, but flies are always looking for a place to lay eggs, and maybe went into the daubler's nest and laid their eggs. But as far as a fly that would build a daubler nest, I don't know of one.
I don't know of one either. You have anything to add to that, Ms. Kim?
There's
Yeah, I do not. I agree with you. Yeah, flies or other wasps are always looking to lay
For a
eggs within
place.
nest.
Yeah.
All right, so without a picture, it's hard for us to tell, but I don't know what that could have been or why a fly would be in there other than trying to lay eggs.
Lay eggs.
Right. So that's what I think.
Yeah.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.